It's going to be a ride to Valparai. It's about 600 kilometers from my hometown Chennai. I'm going to do a ride with my Interceptor 650. A group of 5 people traveling, and all the 5 people are Interceptor 650. So everything is packed. Put it in that bag that you see. Okay guys, the bike is ready. Guys, we have met the third rider here. All 5 of us are ready. So far the climate is good, but if it does not rain, it will be a perfect weather to ride. How beautiful it is, no? You see 5 Interceptors. Worst lorry drivers on the way. And yeah, my rear view mirror is gone. Okay, I'll continue the ride. I'll not be able to talk to you guys. Because no more. So time is 9:30 guys, and we are crossing the 4th toll right now. The climate is bloody awesome. Hello guys, hope you're all doing good. This is Prasanna and welcome to Ride With Me. Today is the 31st of December 2020. Officially it's crossed 12 o'clock. It's about 12:30 right now. It's the last day of the year. I wanted to end this year and start the new year 2021 with doing what I love doing the most. And it's going to be a ride, of course. You all would have seen my Ladakh episodes. It is actually currently running. By the time I'm recording this video, about 2 episodes have been uploaded. So you'll be seeing this video a bit late, not immediately after my ride. So I hope you all enjoy this. Tomorrow morning around 4:35ish, I'm going to start from here. All my things are packed, and it's going to be a ride to Valparai. If you all know the place, well and good. If you have not known the place, it's somewhere near Coimbatore. In Tamil Nadu, in South India. So it's about 600 kilometers from my hometown Chennai, and we're going to ride from Chennai and reach Valparai. It's going to be about 2 days stay there and then ride back to Chennai on 3rd of January. So it's going to be one hell of an experience, and this video is going to be very special because there are a lot of new things that's happening in this video for me. A lot of things that I'm doing first time. First thing is the bike, of course. You all know that I have my new Interceptor 650. I'm going to do a ride with my Interceptor 650 and show you guys how the bike feels, how the ride is going to be. And 600 kilometers we're going to travel together. You're going to ride with me, enjoy. And second thing is I'm going to live vlog for the first time, guys. I've not done this before, okay? You all would have seen my Ladakh episodes. All the Ladakh episodes were the voiceover given by me. The next most interesting thing is that I'm going to ride with complete stranger, guys. Yes. So this is the first time in my life that I'm going to ride my bike with complete strangers. I actually came to know about these guys on Facebook, and we are currently a group of 5 people traveling, and all the 5 people are Interceptor 650. That's the best part about it. So it's going to be fun, going to enjoy it for sure. And most importantly, guys, I don't know how many of you noticed it. I did not wear my riding gears for any of my Ladakh trip because I didn't have one. That's the fact. But right now I have a riding gear. I'm gonna ride with my riding gears for the first time. I am very excited about it because I've heard many of my friends told me that it's very comfortable and it's safety, of course. Safety is primary. I couldn't afford a riding gear all these while, but right now I somehow managed to get a riding gear for me. Everything is set and ready. I don't know if you can see. I'll just show you guys. So everything is packed. So I just have to put it in that bag that you see. I've taken 2 pair of gloves. My riding jacket is there, and my winter jackets and my dresses and my electronics like the mic, camera, laptop, everything is there. And then my speakers and all the accessories. My riding boots are ready, and I have an extra pair of sneakers to wear in Valparai. And I hope I'm set with everything. So the time is actually about 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So it's already very late. Let's pack the things fast. I actually slept for some time in the evening, about 3 to 4 hours. So another 2 hours of sleep, 2 to 3 hours of sleep will be fine for me to take the ride. So let's see. Without wasting much time, let's pack our things. Yes guys, everything is packed. I'm so excited for my ride tomorrow, and let me continue the video tomorrow. I'll go for a quick sleep, so see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. So I had a good sleep for like hardly 1 hour, not much, but still it's okay. I'll be able to manage the ride. Everything is set, ready, so I just have to put on my riding gears and boom, we can go. So see you with the bike. Okay guys, the bike is ready. I packed all the luggage. I think the bungee cords will hold the luggage strong enough. So time is right now 4:49. 5 o'clock I'll be meeting my first member in the group. Let's start. I hope you hear the voice clearly. Okay. Yesterday only I did my water wash, but rains came. My bad. Alright guys, so I'll get on the bike and I'll see you on the road. Okay guys, we met the third rider here. So from here we are heading to Vandalur. So there are 2 more riders are joining from Vandalur. So we need to stop there. We'll meet those guys and then we'll start riding from there. Alright, so heading to Vandalur guys. Guys, so we are right now in Vandalur, which is past Tambaram. All 5 of us are ready. I didn't attach the mic actually because it is raining on and off here, so I didn't want to take a risk. It's not yet completely bright, the light has not come yet, so I'm not vlogging here much because I want to save the battery for some good scenic beauties on the way. So we'll start from here and our next stop will be probably about 112 kilometers from here, which is the toll gate, Vikravandi toll gate. So far the climate is good, but if it does not rain, it will be a perfect weather to ride. I'm afraid to put on my mic actually because the GoPro is not waterproof when the mic is attached. How beautiful it is, no? You see 5 interceptors. There are 2 black colors. One is the chrome color. Another is silver, that's mine. And then we have a white and red combination. Just 2 minutes back it was raining and now it's not raining. I don't know what's happening with the weather. Okay, one guy is ready, the second one is ready. I think I have to get ready now. Atur Toll Plaza. Our next stop will be only at the next toll plaza. It's about 50 kilometers from here. So we'll be riding probably the next 50 kilometers. I believe so. I thought we're having the breakfast here, but no. Maybe we'll have some tea and snacks. We will take a short 15 minutes break. Worst lorry drivers on the way. They were not very bad at driving. We had some worst experiences with the lorries on the way. But the ride was beautiful. My bike is here, so dirty. And this is Mr. Bhuvan's bike. See? Then we just walk through Mr. Vicky. Hi bro. And he's Mr. Tyagu. Hi bro. And he's Sridhar. Hi bro. We'll be done with the break guys, and we're gonna start from here. The next is 120 kilometers, and that's where we're gonna have breakfast. We have some snacks over here, some vadas and tea. Yeah, we have to get ready. All are ready. Time is 9:30 guys, and we are crossing the 4th toll right now. Yeah. So they call this the Ulundur Pet Toll. Yeah. My phone is inside a cover. I can't take it outside now. I just remember it. 200 kilometers. 7.7 liters. I was getting recorded, right? I'll calculate it later. We have taken a break after the fuel. My battery was dead, and Mr. Vicky was kind enough to give me a battery. He had a spare one on his GoPro. Right now we have another 30 kilometers for actually breakfast. We did not have our breakfast yet. So far the pace is good. The climate is bloody awesome. I'll be fixing my mic after my breakfast, so I can talk to you guys. That's it, all are ready. So we're gonna start from now. I'm gonna fix the GoPro onto my helmet. So let's do it.